Welcome back guys. In the last tutorial we have explained about addition of two numbers using JavaScript without even handling mechanism. So in this session I am going to explain how to perform addition of two numbers using event handling mechanism. Okay, you all know that what is an event means. So when a user clicks some guy component, then a event will be generated. For example, user clicked a button, then a event is generated. So using this event handling mechanism, so I'm going to perform addition of two numbers. Okay, for this purpose I'm going to use two text boxes to, to read user inputs and one more text box to display the addition result. Okay, and make sure we have to write all the JavaScript code inside the script tag. Okay, so inside the script tag you have to retrieve the values of text boxes, and you have to type convert the text box values, and you have to perform the addition of two numbers and finally display the result in the third text box. So these are the functions we are going to use. So document dot get element by id, and I'm going to create one user defined function add. So this add contains logic to perform addition of two numbers, and one event I'm using is on click. Okay, I will create a button called add. When a user clicks on add, then on click event will be generated. When an on click event generates, then add function will be called. So this is the logic. So let's go with code. See here, so inside the script tag I have created a function add. So inside add I'm trying to retrieve the values from the text boxes. See, first text box value will be in the A, second text box value will be retrieved into B, and finally I'm calculating addition of two numbers and finally displaying the result in the T3 text box. So T1 first text box, T2 second text box, T3 third text box. See here, so this is the first text box, this is the second text box, and this is the third text box. Okay, when a user see here I have added a button whose name is add, and inside the button, so I have added a event handling mechanism code. If anyone clicked on this button, then on click event will be generated and add function will be called. So correspondingly this code will be executed. Okay, let's try to execute this code. Yeah, observe here, this is first text box, this is second text box. So let me give 5, 10. That means T1 value text box contains 5. So text box with ID T2 contains 10. So inside the logic, so we are retrieving A value is 5, B value is 10. So finally C value is 15. So I am placing the C value inside text box T3 ID. So this comes under this text box. Okay, when a user clicks on add button, that means when the user clicks on add button, see here, when the user clicks on add function, then on click event will be raised and this function will be called. Correspondingly T3 value will get an addition of two numbers. So just click on addition. So this is 15. Okay, so on clicking add, on click event will be generated. Okay, and the JavaScript code will be called, and inside the add function, so there is a logic to calculate addition of two numbers. So this is the final value 15. Okay, thank you.